Hi, this is Sam. This is my KTM 50. Today I'm going to put my rebuilt truck onto my dirt bike. So I am going to put my shock onto my dirt bike. So it is a very easy job. I'm going to slide it in like this.
Remember, it goes up to the top.
Yeah, and this goes always to the top. Some people know that, some people don't. So if you know this, put this at the top. Some people don't know this. Got in there. Give it. I need it. I need this.
Here, now stick it through the hole at the top. The top one first.
Top bolt in first. Okay. Top bolt is always in the first. Always in the first. Maybe we should do this on the other side. I need to take this plastic off. I got in there. Dad actually did it. Now I am going to screw it.
Push.
And you always put it all the way in.
Okay.
So now you got to put the washer on. Now you're going to put the bolt on.
Turn it around.
Oh. You're going to put this on. This always go on that side. You're going to put it in. That. So, we'll make sure.
Ease up the tire a little.
It's hard because of the chain there.
You can put it in the other way if you want. From the other end.
It's easier on this side, but on the chain.
Here, push it. You don't have to screw it. It'll push through. Just line it up straight. See? Keep pushing. Push.
How?
There you go.
So Dad's gonna do it for me now.
Actually,
Oh, surely. Well, surely, yeah.
Did you have the mic?
This is a KM50.
KTM.
KTM Adventure Mobile.
Put your washer on first.
You always put the washer on first. That's why I had last. Do I have to turn around?
Yeah, get it started. Put the flat side out first. Turn it around. There you go.
Cat's in here. Now I have to tie them with wrenches, and they're probably over here. I like that sound. I'm gonna take the wrench, slide this forward. Ooh.
There, we made it. Now we'll turn it the other way and tighten.
It's a very, very good thing to do. Gives you muscles. Because it's very hard when you're 7, because I'm 7. It's very hard. Yeah, I think it is.
I think you did it. You gonna do the top one?
Yeah. Let's do the top one now. So see this?
And a little bit more.
Yep. You always want to do it until it gets really, really tight. Because some people don't know that. I did it until it's really tight, because when it's really tight, I can't pull it. Oh, ooh, that's hard. Oh my gosh, it's all the way in.
Okay, that's good. You don't have to do it too tight.
Yeah.
Well, let's do a test now. Let's put your tool up.
Yep.
Let's take that off.
Oh, that's loud.
Alright.
Ooh, that's really good.
Bounce up and down more. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, hold it. That's how you put on a rear shock. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.